out of Staples. Didn't buy any electronics, but I bought some candy. Buy candy at the electronics store. Why not? So it's really cold today in Chatham. It's supposed to go as low as minus 12 or 13 tonight. Afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to a brand new week vlog. Today it is February 2nd, Thursday, and I'm currently at Staples. We have to go get a new house phone, and we're like old school. We always have a landline phone. It's way better because just in case of cell phones don't have battery charge, you have a house phone. If you forgot to charge your phone and your high goes out, at least you have a landline, right? So we're gonna go to Staples. I haven't been to Staples in I don't know how long. I just don't shop at Staples. I just shop online. Way better. So Easy Tech, we fix computers, install, repair, security, diagnostic. But let's go in. And we're out of Staples. Didn't buy any electronics, but I bought some candy. Buy candy at the electronics store. Why not? So it's really cold today in Chatham. It's supposed to go as low as minus 12 or 13 tonight. It could be lower. So it's getting colder. It used to be mild, now it's getting colder. Weather is strange. Let's go. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to another day. Today it is February 3rd. It is Friday. It doesn't feel like Friday. It kind of feels like Saturday. But today is Friday. Just out for a walk. It's beautiful. It's windy though. And I think that's what makes it cold. It's the wind. So I'm out for a walk. And it's beautiful. And what you guys are doing on this Friday afternoon? I just released my Taco Bell dessert food review. And if you guys still haven't checked that review out, links will be in the bio or in the description. Bio is on Instagram. So I'm not sure if you guys are following me on Instagram, but that's the right place to follow me because that's where I keep you guys all posted about everything from videos to upcoming reviews to things I buy in stores for reviews, things like that. And that's the best way to communicate with me on social media is Instagram. I'm pretty much on Instagram all the time, and Facebook is one of them as well. So if you guys still haven't followed me on social media, I do recommend everyone follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now I'm heading home. Just it's been about 30 minutes that I've been walking. I've been walking a lot lately. Good for the health. It's good for a 30-minute exercise every day. Is perfect. I like it. It just makes me tired at night, and I sleep well at night if I do walks every day. So, but it's windy, as you guys can hear. You guys, it's windy. Thumbnail. Is it windy in your area? Well, let me know in the comment section below. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to another day of vlog. Today it is Saturday, February 4th. Saturday. Yes, it is still windy today. You guys can probably still hear the wind. And this is like a little pathway to get to the park. To the park that I always go to. You know, the park that we always go to. I think it's Kingston Park. So this is like a pathway you can take to go to Kingston Park. It's like this little, I don't know, what kind of little river. not really a river, but a little creek. Now it's frozen. It's frozen because it's cold, of course. So I'm out for a walk once again, like I always do every single day. I try to walk at least 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes a day. It's good. It's good getting good health. So, how is everyone doing on this cold, windy Saturday afternoon? And over here, where there's Salvation Army. I'm not sure if you guys have showed you guys this before. But I'm walking down this really, really nice houses street. Because these are really nice houses. I wouldn't mind. I'd love to buy one of these houses, but I can't. These are just my dream houses. But it's nice to go for a walk around the neighborhood. And people are just looking at me still, as in, what is he talking to? Who is he talking to? Himself? So, yesterday I just got done editing the Monday's food review, which will be on the Score McFlurry from McDonald's. Hope you guys all stay tuned for that, and hope you guys are excited to see that. All I have to say is, it was good. I would say more, but I'd ruin the whole review. It was good. Put it that way. You'll have to watch the review and see what I thought about it. Now I'm heading home. Too cold. But a walk does help kind of like warm you up. So I try to do it every day, 30 to 45 minutes, sometimes an hour. Salvation Army. I'm not sure if you guys are playing Pokemon Go still, but there's a few Pokestops around my neighborhood, including the Salvation Army. Pokemon Go seems like it's kind of easing off. Not a lot of people that I know that's playing it anymore. I like Pokemon Go. I'll play it once in a while, once I have time. Like with doing reviews and vlogs, I can't really do much playing games. So, but when I do, I play Pokemon Go. I haven't given up yet. I think I have like 80 something Pokemon. So it's more like I have to catch the same Pokemon to evolve into Pokemons that I do need. But Salvation Army is one of the Pokestops, and I know I have a few of them around here. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys are still playing Pokemon Go. Welcome back, everyone. So I just came back from Shoppers. Just had to get some deodorant and some body wash, because you need that. So now I'm heading to Food Basics. Shoppers and Food Basics. Those are the two places I'm going to today. So there's Easy Home. You guys have already seen this around this area multiple times. So it's not like it's new. But just have to go to Basics, pick up something for dinner. Very busy today, but then again it's Saturday, so everyone gets paid for the weekend and go shopping to get themselves prepared for Monday. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to another day vlog. Today it is Sunday, February 5th, and this is going to be the last day for vlogging for this week, and I'm going to be uploading, like always, this on Monday. I was going to say January 6th, February 6th, and I hope everyone will enjoy this week's vlog. So today's weather is very mild. It's not so cold like I predicted. I said throughout this week that we were going to freeze, and then we're going to go back to being nice, like a springish fall weather. And today is like, I don't know, I'm not sure how much it is, but it's not as cold. It's a bit windy, but not too windy like the what we've had the last couple days. But yesterday around 3 o'clock this morning, it started snowing, and it was really snowing a lot. And as it was snowing, I was watching the Weather Network, and I had seen that the current weather at that time was like -5 degrees. The morning would have been like -3, and by the afternoon it would have been like almost 3 or 4 degrees, and that's like plus 3 or 4 degrees, so it's like below the freezing mark. Like, and then supposedly we're gonna have some sort of like storm that's coming towards us on Tuesday, and that's supposed to bring us some snow, at least 5 centimeters of snow. Not like the snowstorms that we've had a couple of years ago. Those storms I really liked. Those were the storms that were like giving us like 30 plus centimeters of snow. Now I think we're barely getting like 5 centimeters for each storm we get. And the thing is, we don't even classify the storm as a storm. It was like more like a snow day. A day that snows. About 5 centimeters, like the tops. But I think it was like in December we got like, I think it was like 15 centimeters back in December. And it was strange because we weren't even in winter at that time. We were still in fall, and I don't know, it was strange this year. I'm hoping we at least get at least one big snowstorm before spring. Even though the groundhog predicted a early spring, I'm hoping we have at least one big snowstorm. So that's why I'm wearing my winter jacket with a muscle shirt. Cause really, that's how nice it is outside. So I'm not sure what time is it now. If I have my phone with me, it's 2:46. So 2:46, and it's pretty nice outside. Yeah, and I just checked the Weather Network. It's 2 degrees right now. Feels like -3. So the -3 is probably that little wind that's making it -3. But the temperature is like below the freezing mark. So that's when it's gonna start snowing or it's gonna rain. I think that's what we've been having for the past few months now. It's all rain or snow. Sometimes most of it is all rain. I think we have more floods this year with due to the snow and rain. I think that's what we need to worry about more, is the floods. But at least we got some snow. I'm going to end this vlog, but I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn my post notification on, so that way when I upload a new vlog, you guys get notified. All my links to my social media will be in the description, so do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for upcoming reviews of vlogs and cooking videos. So until next week, peace out. New vlog is now up. It's been up since 9 a.m. this morning. I hope you guys all went and checked it out. If not, the link will still be in the bio. Let me know what you guys all think. If you guys still haven't checked out last Friday's food review on the maple and bacon donut from Country Style, you can check it out by clicking the link in the bio. Let me know what you guys all think. So if you guys still haven't checked out Monday's food review on the Michelina Chicken Parmigiana, I will still leave the link in the bio, so check it out and let me know what you guys all think. If you guys still haven't checked out Wednesday's food review on the McDonald's Junior Chicken, the link will still be in the bio. Check it out and let me know what you guys all think. Out for a walk. My music. And it's nice outside today. Cold, but windy. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are having a fantastic Sunday evening or afternoon. If you guys still haven't checked out my latest birthday shout-out video, I will leave that link still in the bio, so check it out and let me know what you guys all think.
sheltered from the sunlight in the shade beneath the tree.